It's morning time at Stampede Park. And yep, it's been raining. Seems to happen like this every year at this time. Of course, this year, well, we've had more than our share of rain already. But come Stampede time, you can pretty much count on a few rainy days. And Monday was one of them. It was kind of drizzly all morning, but naturally the heaviest rain started to fall right before the rodeo. But did it put anybody off? Doesn't look like it. On went the rain ponchos, and on went the show.
So what do you think about the rain at Stampede?
It didn't ruin our day. We're still here and there's no lineup, so that's pretty good.
Made for a better day.
Yeah.
This is normal for the Stampede to have rain. We wouldn't know what to do without it.
That's exactly right. Calgarians know that rain is going to happen. And it's going to happen during Stampede. Like cowboys and rodeo, the rain and Stampede, they just go together. Mike Drew for Sun News.